Tesla, known for its innovation in electric vehicles, may be developing an electric camper van priced under $4,000, which could revolutionize road trips and the van life concept. With growing demand for sustainable alternatives, Tesla aims to target a growing audience of road trip enthusiasts, adventurers, and digital nomads seeking more eco-friendly options than traditional gasoline-powered RVs. Tesla's proposal is to offer an electric camper van that combines the brand's technology with comfort and sustainability. Equipped with cutting-edge batteries, the vehicle could have a range of up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for long trips and exploring more remote areas. To make travel even more eco-friendly, the camper van will feature solar panels on the roof to generate power while on the move or parked. The design of the camper van will be compact, making it easy to maneuver both in urban trips and on more remote adventures. The interior will be modular and customizable with solutions for sleeping and storing gear efficiently. Tesla will maintain its minimalist style, ensuring both comfort and functionality. Another major attraction will be Tesla's autonomous driving technology. The camper van could include features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic parking, making the travel experience safer and more comfortable. The integration of AI could further optimize route planning, allowing for more efficient trips. The biggest advantage will be the affordable price. With a cost of under $4,000, the camper van will be cheaper than many traditional gasoline models and even other electric vehicles. This could make van life more accessible to a wider audience, promoting more eco-friendly travel. If the rumors are true, Tesla could be launching a camper van that combines innovation, sustainability, and affordability. This would allow adventurers to explore the world comfortably while reducing their carbon footprint. The future of road trips may very well be electric, with Tesla leading the way.